magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. We would like to welcome you all here at the historic Metropolitan Theater for this special...
Guys, so gift sa akin ni Lolo Jerry ko, guys. Ito. Guys, kahit nasa kabilang buhay na yung Lolo Jerry ko, binibigyan niya pa rin ako ng gifts. Tulad nito, guys. Yan. Oh, yeah. So meron talagang ano, guys, meron talagang connection yung sa lupa tsaka sa kabilang buhay. Guys, tinibigay niya sa akin na painting, Justice. Gusto niya ako mag-aral talaga ng law, guys, kasi yung father ko gusto mag-aral ako ng law, Pero inclination ko kasi, guys, before arts. Tsaka kasi yung father ko may lawyer na kami sa bahay. So sa pamilya. So parang pag may lawyer na kasi sa pamilya, kahit isa lang, parang na yun, sufficient na yun. Wala na siya. So yan, kaya justice. Walang tao yung justice. Okay. Happy Sunday at the farm, guys. Look. Simple. Right, Julia?
Does the floor like this?
It's going to be the birth anniversary of my great-grand-uncle, J. Elizalde Navarro. Here. He's painting. National Artist of the Philippines for multimedia, painting and sculpture. This painting is about justice, guys. Justice. Because we are a family of lawyers kasi, guys, my father and us daughters, daughter. Yan, guys. Upon entrance, meron kami mga lights dyan.
Daddy!
Yeah. Bakit? Oh, tiga. Guys, yung house namin, guys. Nire-renovate namin pa dahil pinapaganda pa namin. Pinapaganda pa namin, guys, yung house namin dito. Ito, guys, yung aming Nara table. When we were young, guys. When we were young, my parents bought this Nara table. This is the dining table where we dine. My parents my father was a lawyer and my mother was a employee in the government. They feed us clean food, money from their hard work. Yan. See that, guys? See that? Going to make here a library. Yan. Yan lahat yung mga books namin. Hindi ko pa naaayos lahat, guys. Medyo busy pa ako kasi. Guys, ito yung Nara table namin, guys. Kami nag-paint guys. So pag may papapaint kayo ng mga Nara guys, kami na napagawa. TV and our works presented by mainstream media, Inquirer, Philippine Daily Inquirer, and the ABS-CBN. Guys, here's the book that I wrote a piece here. Critic and Critics. Okay, I've been keeping this one copy for me. Only one copy is left for me. I give the others. Okay, so here, if you can see here, this is the only one left with me. Here. Here. Justice, excellence, nationalism, and integrity as the maestro's legacy. J. Elizalde Navarros. Is this Philippine justice? Then it's Elizalde. Okay. Let's go to page 145. Here guys, Justice, excellence, nationalism, integrity. Yan is Ignacio Elizalde. Yeah. This is a family legacy. This is a long essay, guys, which I wrote. I hope you get a copy of this book. This is guys, this is about challenges in life. There. Okay. Guys, this is my piece in a book which was published in 2012. 2012, guys. Here's my name again. Guys, this book is available for purchase at the University of Santo Tomas Publishing House. It's available in their bookstore inside the University of Santo Tomas campus in España, Manila. So get one copy now. It's for your own good. Published in it's your avenue for success, and it's a guide to young people who want to be successful in life and follow your dreams.